Okay, we got it done. I brought my drill to drill through the top of the window well, but my drill is 1/4 inch and the bit I have is, the whole bit was half. So I'll have to come back and do it tomorrow. But we are going to turn this pump on. It's 14 inches of water right now. It's just coming barreling in. So I have a little helper who wants to help me. And so, if you can see her real quick.
Here.
You're right there?
Got the hose.
Okay, here we go. Not over your shoulder, honey.
Like this?
Hold it out. It's gonna come shooting out. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! That's a lot of water.
Yeah, and it's water is everything right now.
Just keep it over there.
Okay.
Okay? So it's offset a little bit, but the water just started coming in high. It's dropping. We'll see how long it takes.